What's up guys? Hope you are good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all about the font settings or how to change font size and style in your device Infinix Smart 7 HD. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Let's watch this complete video.